I use one of my plugins to isolate the furniture. I select all the furniture, which is a components, and I use my plugin to export the data contained in the components to Excel. I choose the attributes that I want to export to Excel. It's good. Now I'm going to use Chat GPT and a GPT, an AI assistant that I created to optimize Excel files, to modify it, sort it, etc. With artificial intelligence, I dragged and dropped the Excel file and gave the following prompt: sort alphabetically according to the name of the components. The rep column, so that it contains a unique number for each component type before each hash. For example, 1 for cabinets, 2 for desks, etc. Then the other fields are colors. They must all be filled with colors in hexadecimal but without the hash and corresponding to a biophilic tendency. Each attribute keeps the same color, all the seats have the same color, the feet ditto, etc. Offer me the chosen color palette before modifying the table so that I can validate.
Now I agree, I validate. The table is updated by ChatGPT and I download it.
Back in SketchUp, I use the plugin to import the Excel table modified by ChatGPT, which will allow the components to be updated, with the furniture markers in alphabetical order and with biophilic trendy colors.
Great, the project is updated. And the components are adapted automatically. This avoids doing it one by one. It was ChatGPT which helped us this time, but we could very well give the table to a salesperson or a customer so that they can choose the colors and re-inject the file into SketchUp for a new update. I will now launch Enscape for a more realistic rendering. I make some adjustments and then I will save the image. This image is quite basic with flat colors. I will use KREAAI to give a more realistic appearance and make the fabric appear on the armchairs. We can clearly see the details of the image before and after. We are adding characters for a little more realism, and we will use AI to improve the final result. With the characters, the image is more realistic, with always the result with before and after. Now Now in SketchUp, we hide the characters and we use layout associated with SketchUp to lay out the plan, and in which we will add the furniture markers that ChatGPT has updated for us. Now we just have to use the label tool, and automatically the marks are displayed on the plan. They have been associated in the Excel file using ChatGPT.